Jiahua machine, JH-SJMW-550-4500, automatic 45-degree double-head aluminum cutting CNC machine. Machine dimensions: length 6,200 mm, width 1,200 mm, height 1,650 mm. Equipped with barcode scanning for task order reading, streamlining production tasks. Intelligent operation console for easy control and enhanced efficiency. Automatic clamping system to securely hold profiles during cutting. Automatic anti-splash system to maintain a clean and safe working environment. Automatic dimension positioning for precise and repeatable cuts. "45-degree cutting range, 170 mm by 210 mm. Automatic label printing for effective production management. Label-based production management for improved workflow and traceability. High-precision double-head cutting saw for optimal performance and precision. Automated cutting process to improve efficiency and reduce manual intervention. Capable of cutting extra-long profiles with a maximum length of 4,700 mm. Capable of cutting ultra-short profiles with a minimum length of 430 mm. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.